Event cleaning, getting your home ready for summer gatherings. In a world where every moment counts and the pressure to host perfect events is ever present, finding the time and energy to prepare your home can feel like an insurmountable task. With our comprehensive range of cleaning services, we're here to ensure that your home shines as brightly as your guest smiles. Picture this: you're hosting a summer soiree in your backyard oasis. As your guests arrive, they're greeted not only by your warm hospitality but also by the pristine cleanliness of your home. From the meticulously cleaned kitchen, where delectable treats are being prepared, to the sparkling bathrooms and refreshed outdoor spaces, every corner of your home exudes a sense of elegance and comfort. At Comfy Maids, we understand that every event is unique, which is why we offer tailored cleaning solutions to meet your specific needs. Contact us today to learn more about our services and discover how we can elevate your events to new heights of perfection.